Hey dear learners, welcome to my online class. Please look at the screen, and before watching my class you must keep with you khata and pens so that you can write the questions and solutions. Rajabadi School and College. I am Mohammad Abul Kalam Azad, lecturer of Rajabadi School and College, Karaniganj, Dhaka. Dear students, online class H.S.C. English second paper. Today's topic is right form of verbs and subject verb agreement. Lecture 1. Dear students, look at the screen. Right form of verbs and subject verb agreement. Question number 4. In the exam question will be 4. Maybe the question will be 4. The question, read the text and fill in the gaps with the correct form of verbs as per subject and context. The marks will be 7. Right form of verbs and subject verb agreement. You are looking, I have written a rule here. Please write down on your khata. Rule number 1. If a gerund or an infinitive comes as a subject, the verb will always be singular. Okay, now I will give some examples. Here, look at this. If a gerund or an infinitive comes as a subject, the verb will always be singular. Swimming. Swimming, here is a gerund, and so after this a verb has given in the bracket be, a good exercise. Here be equal, we know be equal am, is, or was, were. According to tense, we will write here the correct form of verb. Swimming, here swimming is a subject, and so after this we will write a verb as the swimming subject as singular, and so we will use here singular verb. Okay, swimming is a good exercise. Here look at the answer. Swimming is a good exercise. Next one, walking. The same as gerund, also walking. After gerund, we will use a singular verb. Here has been given word in the bracket be, a good habit. Look at the screen, please. Here is a solution. Walking is a good habit. We know be equal am, is, or was, were, and so we will use here after walking a singular form of verb, and so we have used here is. Walking is a good habit. Next one, eating healthy food dash make you healthy. Eating healthy food, it also gerund, and so we will use after the subject a singular form of verb make. Here will be makes you healthy. Look at the solution. Eating healthy food makes you healthy. To your dash be human, in the bracket be, to your dash, it is also a infinitive before to, before verb, before to has been here, and so we will tell it is a infinitive verb. If the subject infinitive comes as a subject, the verb will always be singular. we will use here is or was. Okay. To hear is human. Dear students, look at the second rule. When words like the following are used as subjects, they take singular verb. Here I have given some words. Please look at the word everybody, everyone, everything, anybody, anyone, anything, somebody, someone, something, nobody, no one, nothing, is, either, neither. If those words are used as subjects, they take singular verb. Now we will look some examples. Here, everybody is a subject. Everybody here has been used as a subject. After subject, we can see here no. In this brackets verb, no, the answer. And so we will use here singular form of verb. Here look at the solution. Everybody knows the answer. Next one, nobody. Nobody dash in the bracket speak German here. So after nobody we will use singular form of verb speaks. Look at the solution. Nobody speaks German here. Now look at the last example. Somebody dash in the room. We can use here singular form of verb. Be, we know be equal am, is, or was. According to tense we will use here. If we use in past indefinite tense, we will use here was. Somebody was in the room. Here look at the example. Somebody was in the room. Dear students, look at the screen. Rules. Rule number 3. If the plus an adjective appears as the subject of a sentence, it will be plural. Now look at the example. Here PS is a adjective. Here before the PS, here the. Here look at the example. If the plus an adjective appears as a subject of a sentence, it will be plural. The PS here, the PS is a subject, it is plural, and so we will use after this subject plural form of verb. We know be equal, am, is, or was. Okay, loved by God. The answer will be the peers are loved by God. Next one, the industrious dash should be always not successful. Here the same in this bracket be, we know be equal, am, is, or was. According to tense we will use here the industrious is a plural form of subject, and so we will use here are. Okay, the industrious are always not successful. The best dash not lack integrity. Now look at this solution. The best here the plural subject, and so we will use here plural form do not lack integrity. Okay, dear students, now look at the rule 4. Collective nouns are always regarded as singular subject. Now look at the example. Here the committee dash in the bracket have decided to postpone the game. Here again look at the rule. Collective nouns are usually regarded as singular subjects. Okay, Here the committee is a collective noun, and so we will use after this word a singular form of verb. Singular. The committee has decided to postpone the game. Here has is a singular verb. Okay. Though committee, it looks like plural form of verb, but it is a collective noun, and so we will use here singular form of verb. Next one. The family dash be ecstatic by the news. Ecstatic by the news. The family here collective noun, and so we'll use here singular form of verb because collective nouns are usually regarded as singular subjects. Okay, and so the family was ecstatic by the news. Next one, the crowd dash in the bracket enjoy the excitement in the game. Here look at the word the crowd, also a collective noun, and so we'll use after the word a singular form of verb. The brackets verb here enjoy, so we'll use here enjoys. The crowd enjoys the excitement in the game. Now look at this. $20 dash not be a lot of money. Here $20 is also a collective noun, and so after this word we will use singular form of verb. Okay. Please look at the solution. $20 is not, we know be equal amateur or was were, and so we will use here singular is after we'll add here not. $20 is not a lot of money. Here I have noted here the noun is plural, but the subject is regarded as a collective noun. Okay, I'm bearing this point. The noun is plural, but the subject is regarded as a collective noun. Dear students, you enjoyed my class on the screen. Hope you like it. If you think there is any problem, of course you can comment to me or contact me on mobile phone. I must try to solve the problem. Dear students, I hope you are well in this pandemic situation. Stay well. This is the expectation. Goodbye today. Thanks a lot for watching it.